Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access, Password and Security. Then click on Screen Lock and decide which login method will be the best one for you: pattern, PIN or password. After picking the perfect one, wait 5 seconds and choose Got it in the pop-up. Now you need to create it. Repeat it in order to confirm it, and select Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint as well, hit Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, just click on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!